How to attract him naturally. Picture this. You're standing across the room, your heart racing as you catch a glimpse of him. The way he laughs, the way he carries himself, there's just something about him that pulls you in. You want him to notice you. Not just notice, but truly see you. To be drawn to you in a way that feels natural and effortless. But the question is how? How do you attract him without feeling like you're fake or you're trying too hard? It's not about playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing up as your most authentic self and letting your natural charm do the magic. It's about creating a magnetic pull that makes him want to be around you. And believe me, it's absolutely possible. The first step to attracting him naturally is confidence, but I'm not talking about the kind of confidence that shouts for attention. It's about that quiet, powerful assurance in who you are. It's knowing your worth without needing validation. It's walking into a room and owning your presence without saying a word. When you carry yourself in this way, people notice. He will notice. Men are drawn to women who are comfortable in their own skin. It's not about having the perfect body or the most flawless face. It's about embracing yourself, flaws and all. When you love yourself, it shows. It shows in the way you smile, the way you stand, and even in the way you speak. Confidence is magnetic. And the best part? You don't have to fake it. Start by focusing on what you love about yourself. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. The more you believe in yourself, the more he'll believe in you too. But confidence alone isn't enough. You need to be genuinely happy. Happiness is incredibly attractive. There's nothing more beautiful than a woman who radiates joy. It's infectious. People want to be around someone who lifts their spirit and makes them feel good. If you want him to be drawn to you, focus on creating your own happiness. Do things that light you up. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Pursue hobbies that make your heart sing. When you're genuinely happy, it shows in your eyes. It shows in your energy. And he won't be able to resist that positive vibe. Now, let's talk about authenticity. It's tempting to try to be what you think he wants, to mold yourself to fit his ideal. But the truth is, men are incredibly perceptive. They can sense when someone's being fake. Pretending to be someone you're not might get his attention for a while, but it won't keep him. The only way to truly attract him is to be yourself. Show him your quirks, your passions, and even your vulnerabilities. Let him see the real you. When you're authentic, you give him the opportunity to connect with you on a deeper level, and that kind of connection is irresistible. But being real doesn't mean you should be an open book from day one. Mystery is a powerful tool of attraction. It keeps him curious and wanting to learn more about you. Don't lay out your entire life story right away. Give him pieces, little glimpses into your world, but keep some things to yourself. Let him wonder. Let him ask questions. When you're a little mysterious, it creates a sense of intrigue. It makes him feel like there's more to discover, and that curiosity will keep him coming back for more. One of the most underrated yet powerful ways to attract him naturally is through kindness, genuine kindness. When you're kind to the people around you, it speaks volumes about your character. It shows that you're compassionate and caring. It shows that you're someone worth knowing. When he sees you being kind, whether it's helping someone in need or simply being polite and respectful, it will leave an impression on him. Kindness is rare and valuable. It's a quality that makes you unforgettable. Now, let's not forget the importance of laughter. A sense of humor is incredibly attractive. Men love women who can laugh with them, who don't take themselves too seriously. Share your laughter. Be playful, joke around. It lightens the mood and creates a sense of ease. It makes him feel good around you. When he associates you with fun and joy, he'll naturally be drawn to you. Plus, laughing together builds a connection. It creates memories that he'll look back on and smile. Another powerful tool of attraction is listening. Yeah, listening. When you truly listen to him, when you're genuinely interested in what he has to say, it makes him feel valued. It makes him feel seen. Most people are just waiting for their turn to speak, but if you're the one who listens, who asks thoughtful questions, and remembers the little details, he'll feel a connection with you. He'll feel understood. And that's rare. Make eye contact when he's talking, nod to show you're engaged, and ask follow-up questions. Show him that you're genuinely curious about his world. It's such a simple thing, but it can make all the difference. But let's be real, attraction isn't just about emotional connection. Physical appearance does play a role. However, it's not about being the most beautiful woman in the room. It's about presenting yourself in a way that reflects your self-respect and confidence. Dress in a way that makes you feel comfortable and confident. It doesn't have to be flashy or overly sexy. Just put together and polished. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you exude confidence. He'll notice the effort you put into taking care of yourself. It shows that you value yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. But remember, attraction isn't about constantly being available. It's about maintaining a sense of independence. Don't drop everything the moment he calls. Don't be at his beck and call. Have your own life. Have your own passions, goals, and friends. When you're independent, it shows him that you're not looking for someone to complete you. You're looking for someone to complement you. It shows that you're secure in who you are, and that's irresistible. Men are attracted to women who are strong and independent. It keeps the dynamic exciting. It keeps him on his toes. However, don't mistake independence for coldness. Vulnerability is essential for building a deep connection. Don't be afraid to show your softer side. Share your dreams, your fears, and your emotions. Let him see the real you. When you're open and vulnerable, it creates intimacy. It allows him to feel safe to be vulnerable with you too. And that emotional connection is the foundation of attraction. It's what keeps him wanting more. Flirting is also a powerful way to create attraction, but keep it light and playful. It doesn't have to be over the top. A lingering gaze, a playful tease, or a subtle touch can speak volumes. Make eye contact, smile, compliment him genuinely. Let him feel your interest without overwhelming him. Flirting is an art. It's about giving just enough to spark his interest while keeping a little bit of mystery alive. It keeps the energy fun and exciting. Lastly, patience is key. Attraction is not built overnight. It takes time. Don't rush the process. Don't try to force anything. Let things unfold naturally. Enjoy getting to know him. Enjoy the journey. When you're patient, you're allowing him to come to you. You're giving him the space to feel his emotions and realize his interest in you. And that's so much more powerful than trying to control the outcome. Attracting him naturally isn't about playing games. It's about being your authentic self. It's about being confident, happy, kind, and genuine. It's about showing interest without losing your independence. It's about being vulnerable without being needy. It's about creating a magnetic pull that draws him to you effortlessly. When you show up as the best version of yourself, when you're genuinely happy and confident, he won't be able to resist. He'll be drawn to your energy. He'll want to be around you. He'll want to get to know you, and before you know it, he'll have his heart without even trying. Because the most powerful form of attraction is the one that feels real, natural, and effortless. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to catch all of our latest content. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments section and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.